stop what you're doing, because if you want garlic that'll make your neighbors jealous and your pasta sing, you're in the right place. Seriously, garlic is the secret weapon of every great kitchen, and today I'm spilling all the dirt on how to grow it like a pro. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned soil slinger, these tips will have you harvesting bulbs bigger than your wildest dreams. Ready to unlock the garlic growing magic? Let's dig in. First up, know your garlic. Not all bulbs are created equal. There are two main types: hardneck, the drama queen with curly scapes, and softneck, the flexible friend perfect for braiding and warmer climates. Pick your type based on your climate and how fancy you want your kitchen decor to be. Here's the golden rule. Plant garlic in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before your first frost. Garlic loves a chilly start. For most of us in the US, that's late September through November. Mark your calendars. Your future self will thank you. Garlic is picky about its pad. It wants well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. No soggy feet, please. Add compost or well-rotted manure. Think of it as a spa day for your soil. Loosen that soil at least 8 inches deep. Garlic roots like to stretch out and do yoga. Now break apart your garlic bulb. Don't peel those cloves. The papery skin is their superhero cape. Plant each clove pointy side up, 2 inches deep, 6 inches apart. Give them room to grow, no crowding. Rows should be about a foot apart. Garlic likes its personal space. Cover with soil, pat gently, and wish them sweet dreams for winter. Mulch with straw or leaves to keep them cozy and protect against wild weather swings. Garlic doesn't need much water in winter, let it snooze. But when spring hits, keep the soil evenly moist. And don't let weeds crash the party. Garlic hates competition. Now for the best part, harvest time. When half the leaves turn yellow, it's showtime. Gently dig up your bulbs, shake off the dirt, and let them cure in a dry, shady spot for a few weeks. Then, boom! You've got homegrown garlic ready to make every meal a masterpiece. Follow these steps and you'll be swimming in garlic glory before you know it. And here's my secret. Every thriving garden needs a dash of love and a sprinkle of encouragement. Don't be shy, talk to your plants. So roll up those sleeves, get gloriously dirty, and let your green thumb shine. Got a wild garden hack or a tip that makes your garlic dance? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead. If you laughed, learned, or just love garlic, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, your home for all things green and growing. Let's dig in and grow together. Happy gardening, friends!